In the bowl of your stand mixer, add 3 tablespoons of very warm water between 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Then add 1 packet of active dry yeast. Give it a quick mix and let it rest for about 7 minutes until foamy on top. We need 1 cup of very warm milk between 110 degrees to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. After 7 minutes, add the warm milk to the mixture, followed by 5 tablespoons of unsalted room temperature butter, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, and 1 large egg. Now, using the whisk attachment, whisk until combined. Once combined, switch to the hook attachment. Then gradually add 3½ cups of bread flour. Start mixing on low and continue adding the flour gradually. Once all the flour has been transferred in, change the speed to 2 and mix for 10 minutes. Using a spatula, scrape the bottom of the bowl as needed. The dough should pull away from the sides of the bowl. It will be smooth and elastic. Now, grease up a large mixing bowl with a little bit of oil. Shape the dough just like so and transfer into the mixing bowl. Add a splash of oil to the top of the dough, then cover and let it rest for at least 1½ hours or until doubled in size. And once the dough has doubled in size, transfer into a clean cutting board. We need to divide the dough into roughly 36 same-size balls. I am using a scale to make sure that they are all the same size. However, if you don't have a scale, you can just eyeball it. My dough weighs 2 pounds and 1 ounce. So 2 pounds is 32 ounces, which means each ball will need to weigh 9 ounces each. Cup your hand over each piece and roll over your work surface to form a ball. Spray with non-stick cooking spray a 12-count muffin pan. Then place 3 of the balls into each muffin cup. Oh, and one more thing. Find the written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Hey, where are you watching Kelvin's Kitchen from? Let me know in the comment box down below. Cover and let them rise once more for about 30 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 220 degrees Celsius. Once the dinner rolls have risen, brush them with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 14 minutes or until golden brown. And if everything goes according to plan, your cloverleaf dinner rolls will look like this. As soon as they come out of the oven, brush them again with 2 more tablespoons of melted butter. Sprinkle a little bit of kosher salt onto each roll while they're still warm. Transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool off for a few minutes. There you guys have it, cloverleaf dinner rolls. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye! Yeah!